everyone, welcome back to Little Angels. Today we are going to make DIY bracelets. All we need is some pearls, a pair of scissors and some elastic thread. So let's get started. So first we take the elastic thread and let me cut it. So we need some elastic thread. Then we can mix the two ends together like this. Hold the two ends. So we mix the two ends together, and now I put my pearls just like this. So we have to hold this end, and then we have to put all the pearls we want in the other end. So just like this, let's keep on putting all the pearls. So I kept all of these, and the last color for me is pink. So I'm going to put the pink just like this and here. So now we are going to tie the bracelet up just like this. And here I made the knot, so let's cut it. And here. And don't forget to cover the knot by keeping it inside a pearl. And here all of my bracelets which I made. So here. Thank you.